YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to those who are subscribing to my channel, man. I always got to shout it out, right? Guys, I told you I'd give it raw, good or bad, whether we're pushing up, whether we're pushing down. So this video is going to be, a little update on what's going on, okay? Guys, if you are new to my channel, I appreciate y'all stopping by. I would like to ask if you do enjoy my content or you're a returning viewer, if you'll please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn them post notifications on so you do not miss out on any important information I got on this project, right? And yeah, man. So road to 500, man. We're still going. We're still going strong. So, I'm pretty excited to get there. I'm pretty excited to do a giveaway. So if you want to get some of that free money and, yeah, just all you got to do is just subscribe, smash the like button, hit the post notification on. Yeah, man, let's get to it, man. It's just the first start of the week, first day of the week, we got some movement, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like that giving you analysis even when the market's not pushing up as well is a good thing, y'all, because it'll help maybe give you kind of an idea if you want to add to your bag, on the pullbacks and stuff. So, not financial advice, strictly for educational purposes only. I do gotta say that, big disclaimer. Don't fault me for anything, y'all. Be smart, do your own research. Okay, guys. Thank y'all for rocking with me, man. I really appreciate it. It feels good to be back doing YouTube videos again. Yeah, without further ado, let's get right to it.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the...
All right, y'all. So we got votes sitting at 6 zeros, 3 to 11. Okay. Market cap sitting at 1947 million. All right. Let's see. Let's blow this up. So we now have finally had a pullback. Okay. This daily candle, and I'm gonna go ahead and delete that real quick, but this daily candle formed yesterday while we were recording, or while I was doing this video last night, right? So we probably will see a new candle form in any minute now. I can't remember exactly what time it changes, but yeah, guys, listen, pullbacks are necessary. All right, they're healthy. Okay, ain't nothing wrong with the pullback. Not only that, it helps you get in at a better price, right? So if we were up here at 34 yesterday, now we're back down at 32. Just think about how much, more you can get for your buck. You know what I'm saying? You gotta look at it like that, man. Okay. I did feel like it was bound to happen, man. Okay. Now, how far are we coming down? That's a good question, right? So we're gonna figure that out, right? So I had a box here, okay? And if I run this box across, okay, you'll see that price has rejected here before, right here, okay? Then we had a rejection in here. We had price, when it broke out, price gave us this long wick into this box, okay? Rejecting it, all right, consolidated in here. Now price has damn near touched this box again right here, okay, leaving a wick. Now it's not done yet, it's not done forming now, but if this candle closes red, more than likely that's confirmation. Price created support, created resistance right here, right? And price more than likely will come down, okay? And that's fine, y'all. That's normal. That's cool. Nothing's gonna just always pump like I always say in my videos, man. Okay? So we have to see how this candle closes, if it closes back in this range or if it closes below the support level. Okay, so normally how it works, a resistance is formed, a support is formed, and within that, it's called a range. Once that range gets broken, whichever direction it breaks out of, most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, is going to come back, is going to continue down in that direction, right? So I could see both coming down finally to retest this level here at 602805, right? And guys, don't look at it like a bad thing. Yeah, maybe people bought in all the way over here at the top, but you guys, when you buy, and even though we're at a great price, regardless whether you're here, or whether you're down here, it's still all a great price. Market cap is stupid cheap, stupid down, all right, stupid low. And but even that's why I always say dollar cost average. Don't buy in all at once, because there's gonna be moments like this where price will be shooting up and then it's gonna come back down. Okay, it shoots up and then it comes back down. That's just how the market works. Okay, it's got to create market structure, right? But it's a very good thing that if price does come back down to these levels, then now you're looking at getting a better cost, right? And adding more to your bag. So let's do some math real quick, right? Okay, so let's say for $300, right? And let's say it comes down to, we'll just say, for example, an even six zeros, 3,000, right? So you divide that, okay, 300, divide that into 6 zeros, 3, right? That is exactly a billion vote tokens, right? 100,000 million, 1 billion vote tokens for $300, okay? So let's say let's say back at 3445, right? For $300, what do we get? Divide that into 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And 3, 4. And what do you get? You get less, right? You get 882,352,941, right? You get what I'm trying to say, guys? So, and you don't have to get $300. I'm just giving you guys an example, all right? But you can add 50 here, 50 there, 50 here, 50 there, okay? Don't worry, don't be scared or have fear of missing out, right? FOMO is what we like to call it. And fear of missing out, that this is gonna take off without you. Listen, we're not there yet. We're just gonna see a major push. No, eventually, man, you're gonna have a push and you're gonna have a pullback. You're gonna have a push, you're gonna have a pullback. Okay? I was wondering how far this was gonna go. I was wondering how much longer was it gonna continue to push up, since we didn't have any closure above this resistance zone right here. Okay, like I explained it on my videos, so you guys can learn. Anytime you have consolidation, right, wick rejections, resistance levels, you're gonna see hesitation. Okay, but this is still an amazing, beautiful chart. If we look at it overall, it is climbing, guys. Okay, we are building an uptrend. Okay, we are building an uptrend. This is what an uptrend would be like. Okay, just an example. Okay, see what I'm saying? And so what you normally would want to do is you would want to add on the pullbacks. So you don't really ever want to buy at the top. You want to buy at the pullbacks when it's pulling back at the lows. Buy at and then it shoots up, boom, and then you get that confirmation to come back down. You buy at the pullbacks. Okay, so that's just something for you guys to learn. I like to teach while I'm doing my videos. Guys, it's very simple, man. So if you stay up to date with me and you watch my content, you watch my videos, you guys will learn something. Not only that, you can get an idea of when to add more to your positions, right? So I figured we might, since we didn't get a closer and this candle closed that strong, and we are at a level of resistance here, okay, then more than likely we was gonna see a pullback. Like I said, guys, we need to have a closer above this line right here, y'all. Okay, because after that, then there shows more buying pressure to get to the next level. Like I said, if you notice, everything moves in zones. That's why there's lines. That's why I have trend lines. Okay, so I have a trend line here. Why? Because price created support here, broke that support, tried to retest, break in, get back up, could not, consolidated, created that support right again, because anything you have a wick right here, some to that extent, right? Price broke back down, came back up, created that resistance again, could not break that resistance, and then it consolidated all these times, and every time it tried to push up and rejects back down, that is a resistance level. Okay, and so and then this right here would be the support level. Okay, so resistance level, support level. So you have a support, then you have resistance. Okay, support, resistance, price broke out of that resistance. Okay, created the support, broke through. Okay, pushed back down, held the support, right? That was once resistance, and pushed off it. Okay, so ain't no telling really where it's gonna go. Okay, it all depends on the economy, it all depends on the market, it all depends on a lot of factors, right? I do want to let y'all know that I still believe that we might have to come back and correct this move. Okay, so if you notice, anytime there's been a move, price will come back up, right? It might take some time, but eventually it comes back to correct the move that it made, whether it's going up or whether it's going down. Okay, and so for example, when this went up, it went down, what happened? It corrected this move here. Okay, it went up, it went down, corrected this move right here. Okay, now it went up, now it's coming down to correct this move here. Now, as long as we hold this level, maybe see some consolidation before pushing back up, or we can see price coming back down into these levels here, okay, to correct this move. Okay, that's just my opinion. I could be wrong, but we are due for a pullback, and we are definitely coming to correct this move here. We haven't corrected this move, and this move happened back in July. Okay, so it don't always happen right away, but eventually it does come back and corrects the move. Okay, so let's look at CoinMarketCap real quick, y'all. Let me refresh this. All right, Bitcoin under 37,000. Okay, retracing, which is normal, guys. So this is the Volt Ethereum pair. When Volt moves, when Ethereum moves, Volt moves, but also Volt might move on its own. But for the most part, if there's a pullback on Ethereum, Volt is more than likely having that pullback as well. Okay, let's see what the 24-hour volume is. Just under $1 million. Okay, we do see some red, which is, hey, a pullback was imminent, man. All right, but nonetheless, it's still looking good. It's still looking like a beautiful chart. Okay, CoinMarketCap's sitting under 1.39 trillion now. It's down 2.34%. Guys, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It would be beautiful for the market to always be green and the market to always just shoot up, but it's not gonna always happen like that. Even though Bitcoin is still up 4.37% for the week. Okay, Ethereum is up 8.69% for the week, double what Bitcoin is up. Okay, and then you got some like Solana. Look at that, Solana's up 32% for the week, y'all. All right, Polygon 22%. We do have a Polygon pair as well. All right, a Polygon Volt pair. Okay, all this is good. Look at that, beautiful. All right, you're not gonna always have the best. I mean, come on, we gotta be realistic. All right, but for the most part, let's keep an eye on this. Let's see how far it will go. Obviously, it's going to probably come back down to the next zone. Okay, like I always say, it moves in zones, whether it's bearish, whether it's bullish. Okay, it could not break this level here. Okay, could not break. More than likely, if this candle closes below this support level that it created, which was once resistance, held as support, now broke through that, more than likely it's gonna come down back to 2805. All right, and that's fine, y'all. Just be prepared. It could take some days for it to come down. By that time, maybe it's payday again for y'all, for some of y'all, right? And you can add more to your bags, okay? But dollar cost average, okay? Be smart with your investments. You don't have to worry about it going anywhere, okay? This is normal. This is gonna happen, okay? What we want to see is that we want to see a closure above this zone here, y'all, so we can make it back up into the 604,000 range. All right, y'all. Let's see what the weekly's looking like. Okay, the weekly closed bullish. Okay, so it's looking nice. All right, and like I say, I like to look at the higher time frames because it's a stronger confirmation. Okay, it tells you more about the story, tells you more about what's going on. This is looking amazing, y'all. We are definitely climbing little by little back into these zones. Okay, so it's a beautiful thing, man. I'm very excited. So I will keep you posted. And forgive me if I repeat myself a lot, y'all. But I do kind of want to clear it up for a lot of people who don't understand how this works or what's going on or what they're looking at. Maybe they just started investing and maybe they're like, I just want to buy some crypto, and I came across Volt. So I kind of want to teach y'all some stuff, you know what I'm saying, along the way. But yeah, guys, listen, consistency is there. It's gonna be there. I'm gonna bring you videos on a daily basis as best as I can. Okay. Yeah. So with that being said, y'all, I hope everyone has a good night, a good morning, whichever one it is a good night for us right now out here in the United States. So y'all be safe, be smart with your money. Tune back in, man. Tune back in. Okay? Turn the post notifications on. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the positiveness. The support's amazing. And we're going to keep on grinding, y'all. We're going to keep on grinding. We're the Vote team, man. All right? Comment down below, #Vote, Vote Inu. Show some love, man. Don't forget, if you are new and you want some more information, I got tons of videos down below, guys. Okay, also check out Twitter. They got tons of information on there as well. And what is this? Crypto Latina, happy Monday. Grandma duties this morning. Oh, what a beautiful baby. Shout out to you, mommy. Shout out to your grandbaby. So, yeah, man. Let's, Vote Inu official Twitter page. Okay, I got the link down below. Check it out, y'all. We got tons of stuff that y'all can go through here, man. Voti card, everything, man. Everything. There's just so much. So, y'all be safe. Be good. Peace.